So there is a one question. Sparse SQL UDF, user defined function. Sparse SQL UDF, user defined function. Hi friends, so I'm started new series Spark learn by example. So you can learn the Spark by example. So Sparse SQL UDF, user defined function. Now this is a very good example. You have to learn what is the user defined function, what is the Sparse SQL UDF. You can learn it. The concept. One thing, sparse SQL UDF, that is UDF stands for user defined function. It's the most useful feature of sparse SQL and data frame, which extend the Spark built-in capabilities. The sparse SQL UDF is the most useful feature of sparse SQL and data frame, which extend the Spark built-in capabilities. So here we raise the one concern. So what is the Spark UDF? Very common question. UDF stands for user defined function. If you are coming from the SQL background, UDF are nothing new to anybody, as most of the traditional RDMS database support user defined function and user UDF are similar to these. So to be honest, UDF and these things I will start in the Scala language. Basically, this is the entirely PySpark. Like I will start with the PySpark, but a few lecture I will give you the Scala. Means Scala is the different one, and I will create the few lectures for the Scala as well. Why I'm creating the Scala? Because few companies asking for the Scala language, or Scala is the pretty high demand. So in this channel, if you know Python, Python is the one of the famous language. Second is Scala, and third is the SQL. So I would suggest you, currently I am doing for this Python, but in future I have create a separate I uh, I will create a separate playlist for the Scala language, and I will give you the Scala Spark, right? You will learn it. No worry, we can try a lot of efforts. Efforts, if you put efforts, you will get the result. So I putting the one example from sparse SQL. I'm creating a data frame. Import sparse session. Sparse, this is a sparse session. How will we can create spark equal to sparse session dot builder dot app name spark by example dot com, and we can get and create column name, sequence number, name, data 1 2 3, df spark dot create data frame xcf truncate false. Let me put into the, so let's suppose let me start for that from pyspark dot sql import basic column. We can pass as a list, and we can create a list with a multiple tuple, and then we can use df create data frame to data comma equal to columns. So let me run this code. Now you can see the data frame. The first column is the sequence number, second column is the name. 1 2 3 Jones, Jones, second Tracy Smith, third Amy Sanders. So basically what we want nothing. What we can do now, now the question is, can we keep the like can we keep first letter of the word capital in a capital? So we can create a one function def convert case. We can take a string We can use this one. We are converting casing string resStr. We can keep empty if, because we need to every word, each word of the we want to a capital, so we can split. uh, Currently we can see space, but we can put one generic one split also. So let's suppose I can generate this space, but in future maybe we are getting uh, in any, so we can split in space. We are splitting based on the space, correct? Now for x in array, what split be, what split give you? Let's suppose split give you like this one, array. I will explain one by one function. John comma John. Split give you the array. Split. String can be converted into the array. Now for x in array, whatever is coming, go for array str plus. What we can do now? X 0 to 1 dot upper. We can use upper function plus. I can use slide x 1 len x plus empty. So this is the function we can use to convert the Python. So we can pass the entire string. Can we pass the column? No. So UDF, we need to convert the, because what this function is supposed to, the function is supposed to take a string. We can't pass the column because we want to convert the entire data frame. So we can use UDF. So I will tell you how will we do that. How would we do that? So we can, there is the one function before you can, if you want to use the UDF pyspark.sql.functions import call comma UDF. Same thing you can do that here. Import StringType, right? Now, how to convert the function UDF? UDF. So we have a convert UDF equal to UDF, and we can put function. Now what I can do now? Convert UDF. So I can get df new. Df new. So what we can do now? We have a df. I'm using with column dot convert UDF with column. Now you can see the Jones. So how this function is working? Let me put into that. Print str. Uppercase nothing, because str, what is the str? This is the empty string. Definitely there is the empty string. Then we are putting 0, 1. So let's do that. This one. Let's me hide this one. Hide go. Or we can do one more thing. Move down. So what happening here? What is the x? Let me put the x. What is the x? You can understand the what is the x. X is the split. What is the array? So X is basically what is the last word. Now return a string. So basically we are adding the string. So reverse string is contained. It's just a string X and this adding. Then we are doing slicing. 0 to 1. What is the meaning of 0 to 1? So what happened 0? 0 we are taking every word of the keywords. Then now length. This is the upper. You can, if you want to, you can remove that. No worry. But what happened? We are taking only one word. 0 to 1. Now we need to length. What is the length? 1. Start from the 1th. Let me remove this. You can understand the code very slowly. You can learn very well. You can getting this one. You are adding the words ons, these words, length of x. So basically you are adding the word from start from 1, 0 to 1 you are taking. Now join by ons, ones. What is the length of x? let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it is taking the word. And we don't need to upper it. I think this is a very good example. So Jones and Jones Smith. You understand the UDF, convert the UDF, you can use the UDF keyword. Any doubt till now? So you understand the UDF. Now, if you want to, every keyword is that. So def upper case string return str dot upper, and we can make a, if you want to keep it everything into that, and you can put udf uppercase. Also you can define like that. You can put udf maybe some syntax issue. So this is adf dot upper, and we can, what we can do, uh, udf upper udf. This is a keyword we can use, uppercase. It's very simple. UDF is the one of the famous concept. I would say, please learn it. And now we have a df underscore udf df dot with column in uppercase comma udf upper, and we can put John Jones, Tracy Smith, and Amy Sender. This is simple one. Okay, there is a one more thing. Show. Anybody know show? And we can put truncate false. Do you know what is the difference between truncate false or so? I will tell you. You can see. Yes, is the gaps. Is the By default, truncate true. I think you're learning UDF, right? So I think this is a simpler one. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Do comment if you have any doubt. So say UDF. I will give you another part for the UDF because there is a few area if you want to learn the UDF. I will explain. Thank you.